Hey everybody, welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet. Today we're going to talk about another frequently asked question and or comment that I get, and that is, gee Taz, do the manufacturers pre-style the wigs before they send them to you? Or do they just pick out the best ones and send them to you? Because wigs always look great on you, but when I get them, they don't look as good. Therefore, you must get the best wigs. Okay, so first of all, give me a little credit. I have been working with wigs for a really long time. I have experience. And I know that a wig right out of the box needs a little bit of work. And that's why you'll see that a lot of my reviews, I do unboxings, I style it right in front of you so you can see how I use my hands to wake up the fiber and to manipulate it in a way that makes it look good for me. So first and foremost, understand that and have the expectation that because you see a wig look a certain way on me doesn't mean it's going to look that way on you. We are all different. So we're all different. We have different face shapes, we have different measurements, we have different eye shape and color. We're just as unique as all of these beautiful wigs, right? You could have the same wig on 10 different ladies. It's going to look a little bit different. The other thing is that these are mass-produced wig styles. So you're going to see some variance among wigs of the same style and color. And that is another expectation that you must have because, again, these wigs are not perfect. And so if you have the expectation that you're going to order a wig based on my review, and when you get it, it's going to look just the same on you as it does on me, there would only be a wildly remote chance of that happening. Only if you look just like me, right? So embrace yourself, embrace your own preferences, have the right expectation when you order these wig styles. No, the manufacturers do not do anything to these wigs before I get them. I get my wigs from the same pool of inventory as you do. And you've seen me put them on, you pull right out of the box, some you like, some you don't. I am here to give you that information so that you can make a good informed buying decision, but a part of that is just making sure that you have the right expectations. And when you are consuming information about wigs, including wig reviews, have all of that in mind. The best thing is to know thyself. So if I show you a wig that has a 6-inch fringe, for instance, that 6-inch fringe is going to come down to my chin because I'm short from hairline to chin, only 6.5 inches. And if you're sitting out there and you have a 9-inch long face, it's going to come way above that on you. Okay, it's not going to look the same. So know yourself, know your measurements, and the next thing is know your preferences. Knowing your preferences and knowing your measurements and knowing yourself, when you look at a wig review, you can more easily picture that wig on your head, what's going to look like on you based on the objective information that we're giving you as wig reviewers, right? So I'll do my very best to give you all of the factual information about a wig. That's very important. I'm also going to show you how I get in there and work with it. People think I have secrets on how I work with my wigs, but you've seen me bring these to life right in front of your eyes with nothing more than my hands. Rarely do I use product, and rarely do I use heat or any, I don't thin, I don't cut my wigs, I don't do anything to my wigs before I show them to all of you. So go below the video. I will attach a few videos that I think might be helpful. Know thyself, know thy preferences, and go forth into this wig world with confidence. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon.